Hello children, welcome back once again to our online session. Children, today I am going to explain you how to use unless in the sentence of if not. In sentence transformation this topic is there. So first of all I'll explain you the rules how to use unless in the sentence of if not. While using unless in the sentence of if not, first of all, we have to replace the word if with the word unless. And remember that the word unless is the combination of if plus not, means it contains if also and it contains not also. That's why after replacing the word if with unless, whatever first verb comes, that first verb we have to make affirmative. The verb we have to make affirmative means obviously we have to cancel not. But remember that if not is used along with do, does or did, then instead of cancelling just not, we have to cancel do not, does not or did not. The cancellation of do not doesn't affect the main verb. Whatever main verb is there, same main verb we have to use in the sentence. But if we cancel does not, then in the answer we have to add the suffix yes or es or ies to the main verb. And if we are cancelling did not, then the main verb we have to write in the second form. But remember that if not is there along with any other helping verb, for example, if will is there, was is there, were is there, then in that case we have to cancel just not. In that case we don't have to cancel the helping verb. When we have to cancel the helping verb, if not is given along with do, does or did, otherwise not is used along with any other helping verb, in that case we just have to cancel the word not. And sometimes what we have to do, depending upon the meaning of the sentence, the second part of the sentence we have to make either negative or affirmative. So all these things I'll explain to you through the sentences. Now see here. If you don't work hard, you will not get success. So, in this sentence, what we are going to do? We are going to use unless. So, as I explained in the rules, that the word if we have to replace with the word unless. Now the word unless is the combination of if and not, means it contains if also and it contains not also. After unless we have to use the subject, unless you. Now as I said that whatever first verb comes, that first verb we have to make affirmative. So we have to cancel not, and here not is there along with do. Don't is the short form of do not. So the entire don't we have to cancel, and after cancelling don't, there will be no effect on the main verb work, that we have to use as it is. Unless you work hard, comma. Now here we don't have to make any changes in the remaining part of the sentence. Remaining part of the sentence we have to write as it is. Unless you work hard, you will not get success. Now see one more sentence. if she does not run fast, she will not win the race. So here the word if we have to replace with unless. Now the subject she. So after using unless, whichever first verb comes, that we have to make affirmative. For making the affirmative we have to cancel not, but as not is used here along with does, so we have to cancel the entire does not, but the cancellation of does not will affect the main verb. After cancelling does not, here we have to add the suffix yes to the main verb run. Unless she runs fast. Now remaining part of the sentence we have to write as it is. She will not win the race. One more sentence. If you did not go there in time, comma, you would not be allowed. You would not be allowed. Now here also if we have to replace with unless. Now the first verb which comes after using unless has to be made affirmative. So we have to cancel not. As not is given along with did, so instead of cancelling just not, we have to cancel did not. But the cancellation of did not will affect the main verb. After cancelling did not, main verb we have to write in the second form. Unless you went there in time. Now remaining part of the sentence we have to write as it is. You would not be allowed. Now one rule I had told you that sometimes depending on the meaning of the sentence, another part of the sentence we have to make either affirmative or negative. So I'll explain one sentence of that type. See here. If you study hard, comma, you will pass the exam. Now, if we have to replace with unless, after unless the first verb we have to make affirmative, but here we find that already affirmative verb is there, so nothing is there to cancel. Unless you study hard. Now, the remaining part of the sentence, if I write as it is, then what will happen? The meaning of the sentence will change. The sentence will become like this. If you study hard, you will not pass the exam. Can it happen? No. Here what is happening? The meaning is changing. So to make the meaning same, what we have to do? Here this part of the sentence we have to make negative. Unless you study hard, you will not pass the exam. So in all these four sentences, we find that if is used in the beginning of the sentence. But some of the sentences can be given in which if is used in the middle part of the sentence. So one such sentence I will explain you now. I will not attend the function if you do not invite me. So here we find that if is used in the middle part of the sentence. No need to panic, just simple things are there, follow that. So answer you can start from the subject itself. This sentence we can solve in two ways. I'll tell you another way also, but first of all, see here. I will not attain the function. Now, if we have to replace with unless. Now, the subject, as unless itself contains not, so obviously the first verb which comes after it has to be made affirmative, and for making this verb affirmative we have to cancel not, and here do is used along with the not. So instead of cancelling just not, we have to cancel do not, and cancellation of do not doesn't affect the main verb. Even after cancelling do not, the main verb we have to write as it is. I will not attend the function unless you invite me. So I hope that you have understood this topic. For conducting the exercise, let's meet in the evening session. Till then, it's goodbye.